Hello, EXO Films fans. I really want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to 16 student campers. Chinatsu, Avery, Uka, Natsuhisa, Seichi, Hitsuji, Belinda, Leo, Rocky, Ushi, Sunami, Violet, Kerby, Kaiya, Yumi, and Kono from Kasukabe High School, who graduated in 2023 and 2024 respectively. Their appreciation for the magically built cabins at their summer camp, which showcased 8 adorable honey bunnies, truly warms my heart in the 10-chapter story of Summersaults. To celebrate, I treat myself to a wonderfully decorated package filled with delicious lemon-flavored cream Oreo cookies. Alongside these delightful treats, I also indulged in some butter-flavored popcorn from AMC Theaters, enjoyed Cadbury Candy Bar, and quenched my thirst with a refreshing Fanta orange soda, which is a product of the Coca-Cola Company. What a feast! The 16 enthusiastic student campers, also called themselves Hexa Squad, had a truly wonderful summer at the camp, creating unforgettable memories and enjoying themselves so much that they felt like they were virtually traveling back in time, way back. They found themselves immersed in the vibrant culture of the 2000s, also known as Y2K, the very decade in which they were all born. This unique journey allowed them to connect with their family members, sharing stories and experiences that enrich their understanding of their roots and heritage. Knowing that in the story, it's very clear that Kaiya, who likes K-pop, rugby, and cheerleading, is on the verge of becoming the Asian female Neil deGrasse Tyson, seamlessly blending the realms of magic and science. Her unique talents and captivating personality promise to inspire many as she explores the wonders of both fields. So, what is the significant difference between traveling back to the years 2003 and 2021? The changes in technology, culture, and societal norms between these 2 years are profound. That's why we magically made the biggest story of the third millennium/21st century. In addition to the lemon-flavored cream Oreo cookies, I also have a delightful Hostess jumbo honey bun. This snack cake can be used as a decorative item for the 2023 and 2024 Kasukabe High School graduates. However, I read inform you that the blueberry pie Oreos I really love, which were first introduced almost a decade ago as a perfect summer treat, aren't currently unavailable due to being out of stock. I made the delightful decision to decorate the Hostess Jumbo Honey Bun and 16 lemon flavored cream Oreo cookies using an array of melted chocolate in different colors. The honey bun itself is lavishly coated with both white and violet chocolate, creating an eye-catching design that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Meanwhile, the lemon flavored cream Oreo cookies are treated to the first half of Cadbury chocolate, complemented by a second half of blueberry pie chocolate, adding a fruity twist, which are completely dipped and layered. To personalize each chocolate-covered Oreo cookie, I carefully wrote the names of the Summersaults characters using smooth vanilla icing, ensuring that each bite is not only delicious, but also uniquely special. What a yummy recipe! The vibrant summer of belly button piercings everyone is talking about serves as a significant moment for three of the beloved Summersaults characters: Chinatsu Uchinaga, Violet Ho, and Kaiya Kim. Chinatsu got her belly button pierced in August 2021, followed by Violet and Kaiya in March 2022. I think time traveling back to 2003 and 2021 is when cultures took place, including summer festivals. According to Kaiya's magic, the Shuryong, with its graceful demeanor and gentle spirit, sought the Jinnu, symbolizing their harmonious connection, which means that they officially matched perfectly. There are 8 honey bunnies. Each honey bunny possesses the magical ability to enter the cheerful cabin, where, amid laughter and adventure, a couple of teen campers unexpectedly find themselves falling deeply in love while embarking on an extraordinary journey through time, creating unforgettable memories. If you're seeking more captivating time travel romance stories that transport you to different eras while exploring the complexities of love, be sure to visit your local library or bookstore. There you can browse an array of enchanting titles. Additionally, don't forget to check out Audible for a delightful listening experience to enjoy these tales on the go. OMG, 10 chapters of Summersaults named after Tetris Beat's original EDM song by Croatian-Australian DJ Alice in Wonderland. That was Manga-rific. Reminder, on July 4th, the 160th anniversary of Alice in Wonderland. That's 1 century and 6 decades. We'll jump into a bonus feature called Summer Wonderland and see what's going on while time traveling during the summer season. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also, talk about it. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for my upcoming videos and community posts.